Hey guys, today we are throwing together a one-stop pot and unstuffed cabbage roll. It's game time, and if you need a quick, easy meal, I got you covered. Today we are gonna unstuff it so that you don't need to get burned rolling any cabbage rolls. The ingredients that you're gonna need for this are 1 pound lean ground beef, 2 to 3 garlic cloves minced, a half a cup of onion diced, 1 small green cabbage head chopped, it's about 4 cups, 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes, 12 ounces of canned tomato sauce, a half a cup beef broth, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1.5 teaspoons swerve, 2 teaspoons salt, and 1 teaspoon pepper. In a large, deep skillet or soup pot, you're going to brown the ground beef, onions, and garlic together. Cook it until it's brown and crumbly, which is about 5 to 7 minutes, and then you're going to drain off and discard the grease. A little tip that I like to do is just tip the pot to the side, move the ground beef to one side, and take care of the grease with a paper towel, and then just throw it out. Next up, what you're gonna do is you're gonna add the cabbage, the tomatoes, the tomato sauce, the beef broth, all the spices, and bring that to a boil. Cover and reduce the heat, and then simmer the cabbage until it's tender, which is gonna take about 30 minutes. After that, you're all done. There you have it. And remember, if you don't have time to sleeve over the stove, it's easy to throw this either in an Instapot or in your slow cooker. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. I can't wait to see you on the next episode. If you like it, love it, you need some more of it, guys, make sure that you don't keep me to yourselves, okay? Like, subscribe, comment, and share me out to the world.